morning. Hi, Daddy.
Bakir Edgar Allan
Today we are at MJ School because it's their third periodical recognition program. So we are just waiting for the grade 3 to be called. And we can see you there. Where's the bunny? Ayan, bunny! Grade 2 na yan. Grade 2 na. Grade 1. Kinder pa. So we're just waiting
Hands
for
off
grade
your
3.
achievers. Let's proceed to the elementary achievers by
Grade
calling
1 na,
on
grade
Miss
1.
Grace Kitamura,
So,
our PAO for
Academic
elementary.
Excellence Awardee po ang aming malangga.
Starting off with grade 1 achievers, may I call on Miss Cheryl Senor, the advisor of grade 1 St. Hannibal Mary de Francia, to announce the names of the awardees.
So mag-aantay pa tayo ng few minutes. Hey Bunny, are you excited for your award today?
Performance awardees in grade 1 St. Hannibal Mary de Francia, school year
Baro daw siya ng phone na bubor.
2025-2026.
So after this,
Fernandez Fernandino Maria
probably
L.
9
with
o'clock, I'm
highest
going
honor,
to-
also best in CLE, language, reading, mathematics,
Wow.
science, and GMRC.
oh wow, highest honor. Oh, who's that kid? Let's see who's that kid. Oh, nice, huh? Smart boy. Highest honor is, I guess, 98%.
Kim Shimu R. with
Grabe,
high honors,
98%.
also best in CLE and Kakabansa.